What if you could clone yourself and let that clone handle your content, generate 30 to 40 high quality leads every single week while you are sleeping? Sound interesting, right? Well, this is the exact system what I have done using my AI clone without recording a single video. In just last 30 days, this system helped me to collect 1,21,000 in revenue completely organic, while I am focusing on strategy, client delivery and the growth. This is the power of our visibility triangle system. This system uses AI avatar, content strategy and automated funnel which become ultimate lead generation machine without recording a single video. And once me and my client implemented it, the results are shocking. 30 to 40 high quality lead every week and 80% reply rate in LinkedIn. So by the end of this video, you will learn the exact step-by-step process how this visibility triangle system consistently generate 30 to 40 high quality lead every single week automatically. So let's get started quickly without wasting the time. This entire system is based on three strong pillars. First one is realistic AI clone, content strategy and management, and finally automated funnel and analytics, which become ultimate lead generation machine. The reason most founder, coach, consultant, B2B service owner failed because they are not consistent in content creation. Definitely, I stopped creating videos manually 2 months ago, but still I am visible everywhere in LinkedIn, YouTube, Instagram every single day. I clone myself. My AI avatar create videos, sending outreach message, run my Facebook ad, even doing personalized follow-ups, all while I am focusing on scaling the business. So creating a content is the huge pain. Recording, editing, thinking about the new post, it will take 3-4 hours. It kill your consistency. This is the biggest bottleneck in your business. But with the help of realistic AI avatar, you can be visible everywhere. So the most important thing for creating a realistic AI avatar is your expression, your look and your voice. So you have to create your clone which look like you, expression should be very natural and it should sound like you. So to create your own clone, so you have to create account in Hagen. Hagen is a very popular platform where you can create your AI avatar, which is very consistent and it look very realistic. So as you can see, I have created my so many avatars and it's look very real. So let's create your new avatar. So all you have to do to go to the avatar section and click create new. Start with the video avatar. So all you have to follow this instruction. They have given the instruction very clearly. So you have to upload minimum 2 minutes of video.
An instant or lifestyle avatar with Hagen? Here's how to film.
So you have to upload minimum 2 minutes of video. The voice in the video should be very clean. In your video, lighting, background, it should be very clean. If you can record in the green screen, that is good. Otherwise you can use your office home background, and you have to just enable this gesture detection so that system will automatically get the gesture from your video. So select your drive and upload the video. Once it is done, so you have to click on next and that's it. Your AI avatar will be ready. So you can see your all AI avatar, something like that. Now your AI avatar is ready, your look and expression is created. So you can create your multiple AI avatar with the multiple get-ups and looks so that your content will be look fresh every time. Now the second thing is we have to clone the voice. So to clone your voice, you have to go to the 11 lab. So you can get the subscription and you can clone your voice. So to clone your voice, you have to click on the voices. You can clone your voice using this button. So you can use instant voice clone or you can use the professional voice clone as well. So I am using an instant voice clone right now. Here you have to upload minimum 1 minute of audio file. If you will provide the multiple voice variation so that your voice will be cloned very perfectly. So just upload it and give it a name of this voice. If you see, I have created my multiple voices. Okay, so here is the most important thing: the environment affect your voice quality. Okay, so if you are inside the car, so the quality of the voice will be different. When you are inside your office, the quality will be different. Okay, so for each environment you have to clone your voice. Now once your voice is cloned, so all you have to do to write the script where the content creation part is started. So before we go to the content creation, I will just provide you the one overview about this 11 lab. In 11 lab you can provide the expression as well. Like my script is simple. Hello everybody, just your post, it is very insightful, looking to connect with you. Now you can use this V3 alpha to enhance the expression. It will automatically add these expressions. Even you can change this expression like action, thoughtful, or any kind of expression. You can just write inside this square bracket and click on generate script. Once your audio is ready, all you have to do, go to the agent and go inside create in AI studio. In this studio you can see your AI avatar. You can select your own avatar. Okay, and just click on the audio button and upload your audio file. I have uploaded a lot of audio generated from the 11 lab, so I will just select it like this one, add audio, and that's it. Now you have some options here. You can add the captions, you can change the caption style as well. Okay, accordingly you can make the changes here. Most important thing is here in Hagen you will get two types of engine. One is the Avatar V4 twin engine and one is Avatar Unlimited. Avatar V4 is very good, but it has a limitation, monthly limit is here, but you can use Avatar Unlimited and you can just click on the generate button to generate your AI avatar. Just provide a name and select FPS, frame per second, rate to 30 and click on the submit. That's it. Your AI video will be ready. Once your video is ready, you can see the output like this one.
Hey Abdul, nice to connect with you.
So this is just very short clip, but I create long form videos. Okay, now let's move to the second part, which is very important, the content strategy and management. This is a very crucial part of this entire system. So a lot of people are just started creating content without doing the market research. Doing a market research is very important. Look around your competitor, what kind of content they are creating, what kind of hook they are using, and what kind of content actually generating the awareness and engagement. Okay, so you have to do the market research. Second thing is the script and the offer. This visibility triangle system is very powerful. It creates the story around your product and services. If you have very good offer, if you know about your ICP, if you know about the pain points, the solution that you are providing, so you can create a story very easily with this visibility triangle system. In this visibility triangle system, me and my clients are using the framework that we created, and it is very powerful. And also we will provide them some resources to create the engaging hooks, verbs that actually attract the leads, and there's a lot of things that we are providing in this solution. And within 1 hour you can create very high engaging script for your product and services. Now when we will talk about the scripting, so you have to arrange your content, the weekly content calendar, in these 3 areas: the pain awareness, problem awareness, and the solution awareness. You cannot just create the random script. You have to align all your content in this format so that people will know you are talking about this particular problem. You will care the pain point that your ICP will have, and you have a clear solution for this problem. So this is how you will convert a lead into a sales. Video editing is the most important thing. Once your AI video is generated, it is time to edit and design it professionally so that it will hook the viewers and convert them into a lead. Your video should look like very professional video and it should connect with the audience. The visual hook, sound, thought, and the audio, it is what make people stuck in your video and they will listen your every single word. Add engaging caption, transition, B-roll, background music. Remember, the quality and storytelling makes all the difference. The goal is not just to look good, but to convert viewers into followers and followers into leads. So you can use multiple video editor tools like CapCut, VN, Premium Pro, or you can hire a video editor if you can manage it by yourself. Otherwise, our visibility triangle system, we are providing this complete end-to-end solution, so you don't have to worry about the video editing and other stuff. Now, this is where the magic happens. Once your content is ready, we plug it into automation. In this visibility triangle system, we have created our AI clone, we have created a content strategy, and all the contents are now pushing automatically on all the social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and LinkedIn. People now will start seeing you every single day and they will start commenting on your page, your post, and also in your DM. So we have to provide the content and also we have to capture these leads. So this is very important. People will get the reply instantly. If you are offering any lead magnet, if you are providing any free material, or if you are redirecting them to the VSL page, so we have to capture their lead. In this system, the every lead will be captured in the CRM. People will get the instant access to your lead magnet and the free material that you are offering in exchange of their email, phone number, and the name. So backend automation started and they are start getting the emails, WhatsApp messages, and other useful resources so that these leads will convert into a sales call. In this visibility triangle system, we are also tracking every view on your post, every click, every conversion, so that accordingly we will change our strategy for the next month and narrow down this funnel so that we will know the winning pattern and generate high quality leads for your business and your offers. We will use some AI tools to instantly reply to the comments. Instantly they will get access to the lead magnet or the free resources that we are offering. So we will connect everything to a CRM so that we can store the name, email, phone number automatically. Every DM, every comment, every lead is tracked so that you will never lose any potential sales. And all the leads will be get warm up with the email and the WhatsApp. This is very important. Once you will get the lead, it should be nurtured so that over the time it become a sales. I will not go deep into the automation today, but this is where our team help. We set up everything end to end so that your marketing runs hand free. So you don't have to worry about the content creation and the lead handling. All you will get the hot lead directly into your sales call. Last piece of puzzle is analytics. We will analyze every single data, view count, engagement, what kind of hooks are working, which type of content are actually converting. We will use this data to improve our strategy and get more inbound leads from these organic content. This is why I call it visibility triangle system. Your AI clone which look like you, content strategy, and the final data analytics which become ultimate lead generation machine. This is how this visibility triangle build a complete lead generation machine and it will work automatically 24/7 without any human effort. Using this system, I personally generated 1,31,000 last month in October, all organically. And we are seeing the same result with our client who implemented it. They are saving 40 to 50 hours every week, posting 2 or 3 high quality video every day and getting 30 to 40 high quality leads every week without recording a single video. No camera, no lighting setup, just a system that keep working even you are sleeping. Now, if you would like to implement this exact system for your business without figuring out the tech, steps, and the process, my team can build and manage this entire system for you. From AI avatar setup, script writing, video editing, posting, automation, lead capture, everything handled for you. Click the link below to book a call with us. Let's see if this system is the right fit for your business. I am Kamal Bunkar, and this is how we help founder, coach, consultant, and B2B service provider to build their personal brand and build a consistent lead generation pipeline. If you didn't build your personal brand till so far, so this is your chance to build your personal brand with AI and grow your business with a 10x and get consistent inbound leads. So click below and book a call with us.